packages.
Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No, it's hurting you to see me gone. Sometimes you gon' see me strong. I won't go back. Trust me, I'm gon' go back.
It's gonna go over here, and we're gonna raise my desk. Maybe it was better to open it down there. Might as well shine some light on this box, right? ILM. Ride-in style. Now do you know what it is? We'll set this over here. What do you think that looks like? Oh, cool. Has a ILM on the side. Pretty nifty. There you go. That's what I got. So this is kind of like a dirt bike helmet. It is DOT approved, and I just really like the overall style of this. I'll take that off in a second. And the price was right. So you got a face shield here. I think this piece is pretty easy to get off. I thought they have like a clip. You push these little clips in and then the face thing comes off. So I guess if you leave it like that, yeah, it's pretty simple. So then it's a, do they call that 3/4 helmet? And then you can still put this down and still have air, but shield your eyes. And there's vents up here just by hitting that. This has a vent in it, so that's pretty cool. You just flip that when you want air to come in and close it when you don't. This will be pretty nice for winter too. Also, I'm going to be mounting my lav right here. I'll probably do that today and then test it and see what it sounds like. I got this for that well, for multiple reasons, but one of the reasons was audio. So this will be good. And another reason I got a helmet like this for my bike that's DOT approved is I'm getting ready to add more power to it. Now the speed's not necessarily going to be an issue as far as top speed. It'll still be the same top speed. I'll be at those upper speeds more frequently, so I wanted something that was going to be protecting my head, which is important, of course. I wonder what, are these like something you can take out or not? They're just air ducts? I don't really know. So remove before use. Well, no kidding, you can't see, so hopefully this comes off pretty easy. So that's just like a screen protector. And we're gonna go ahead and take the things off here. Being that this is nylon, that should not hurt it. Gotta remember if I remember how to do this. So I do. Is it that easy? I just get it adjusted over here and then do that. Interesting. I have owned a couple different helmets in my day, so this won't be my first one. Here's an instruction manual if you just need to know how to use the clip. To secure the helmet, follow the instructions on the figure. Place the socket retention mechanism until it clicks. To open the system, press the red button. Okay, well, that sounds pretty simple. Care and maintenance, that might be something I need to keep. And then here's some covers if you want to take the visor off. You can put this here because you can remove the visor. I guess this is called a visor. Windscreen, wind deflector, I don't really know what it's called. Alright, we have one more box over here, which is another accessory for my bike. So let's move Mr. Helmet over here. Probably shouldn't have cut down on the box like that, because there is a package here, but luckily it's down here. Oh, I got a bike mount for my cell phone, because I'm going to try a new one. And then this is the bag to put on the front of my bike. Hopefully it works and it looks cool. Yep, it looks like it's going to work fine. Perfect. I'm going to stick my inner tube and bike tools and stuff like that in here. Comes with a rain fly. Nice. And a shoulder strap. Cool. And it's like a carbon fiber look. I thought that was pretty neat. And then this just straps over your handlebars, so you got a front bag on the front of the bike. And I'm going to fill this up with bike parts. This is actually really padded. Like it's going to protect. I guess if you were to put a tablet in here, that'd be pretty cool. It's got a little place here for something. Glasses maybe. On each side. Front pocket. Has a headphone port if you want to listen to music with wired headphones. If anybody even does that very much anymore. Got a zipper pocket on the inside, a non-zipper pocket, and then a middle section, which... So I am using this bag for a battery now. So a battery's going to go back here when I get it all done. And then all of my accessories are on this table somewhere. And all of those go in here. Actually, they might be in this bag for right now. So this is a bunch of GoPro mounts. And 3M adhesive things. With a nice plastic bag to store it all in, so I don't have to worry about losing it. So I can make my GoPro rig. Came with 2 of these. These are awesome for the chest. But I need this to mount my GoPro the way I want.